Well, I think she's finally done. This is my 1970 Cub Cadet model 147 hydrostatic. I got this tractor just over a year ago for free, sitting down in the woods. It sat there for approximately 15 years. And today it finally decided to fire up and move under its own power for the first time. It's a 14 horsepower Kohler K321. I don't know if you can see that or not. And nothing's permanent. The gas tank is thrown on there with one strap holding it on. I don't have all the cooling shrouds on yet. I did hook up the muffler. I haven't heard it with the muffler yet. It's got a custom wiring harness. The only wires I reused were the long ignition and ground wires because I didn't have any others that were long enough. Everything else is new. I did wire up the charging system. I haven't wired the headlights yet. They do work. Just have to do that. The starter generator is off of the 107 because unfortunately the starter generator I have with this tractor does not have enough power to pull it over the compression stroke. I'm gonna get it rebuilt. I haven't changed the hydro fluid yet. That's on the to-do list. I wanted to make sure it actually worked, make sure the hydro worked before I actually changed the fluid. I do have the filter and the fluid all ready to go though. No taillights yet. I'm just gonna replace those with red ones because I don't know why they're orange. And probably also noticed the right side tire there is wider than the other. I have the proper size tire. It's flat. I need a tube for it. So for now I got that narrower one from a parts tractor on it. And yes, it is red. Again, that was how I bought it. Ain't perfect. Hood is touching the muffler. There's still a whole bunch of little things I gotta do to this, but it does run and it does drive. So guess we'll see if she wants to start up again. Yeah, it doesn't want to run without the choke. how stiff the steering is.